And one thing po, nanonotice po ba nyo, kung minsan, pag pinasunga ka ng isang negative thought, whatever it is, anger, pride, and you stay in that thought, before you know it, lumulubog ka na. So what do you do? What do you do? I always say, the mindset. It's the mindset eh. Kung ang mindset mo talaga negative, papunta ka na doon, the whole day is negative na. So what do you do? Reset the mindset with the Holy Spirit. Pray. Pag nagnenega ka na, Lord, come Holy Spirit. Reset my mindset. Reset my mindset. Tanggalin po nyo by the power of the Holy Spirit. Settings lang yan eh. Mindset. So let's go to settings. Ano pong unang setting? Try this. I've tried it and it really works. Anytime nagagalit ka, nanenega ka, put the settings into humility. Go to humility settings. Once you get that setting of your mindset on humility, a lot of issues disappear, a lot of things become wala na pala yan. Kasi you've taken the road of humility.